Alright guys, how you doing? We got a nice cold one this morning. We got a dust in the snow, nice blue skies, tops of the mountains are just covered in some clouds there at the moment, but I think they're going to burn off. So my plan for the day is, I have an idea where I'm going to stay. I followed a forest track on Google Maps and I'm hoping I'll be able to get to a nice spot over on the side of the mountain, surrounded by trees. There's quite a bit of wind today, so I'm hoping to get shelter from that. So we'll be cooking up some pork skewers on the barbecue. Going to marinate the pork as soon as I get there, leave it marinate for a few hours. It should be really tasty. So look guys, let's see what happens. I'm going to get moving. Thanks very much for joining me. Alright guys, we made it to the spot. Wasn't actually too bad at all. It's pretty nice and secluded up here. Snow started to come down. I'm just trying to figure out what way the wind is blowing so I can kind of set up. It's blown from all directions at the minute, but yeah, look, let's try and get set up. So here's the pork I marinated earlier on. I'll leave the recipe in the description, but basically it's sugar, white wine vinegar, paprika, garlic, chili, a couple other bits and pieces. I'm just about ready to fire up the barbecue. What I use for the barbecue in the van is actually an old roasting dish. It also doubles as a fire pit when I need it to. So don't hold it against me when you see it. It's not exactly viewer friendly, but it does the job, Just got a nice big fistful of coriander. It's pretty good. I've just been sitting around the fire since after dinner, just listening to the last of the birds, the wind in the trees, chilling out, enjoying a night out in the van. It's basically why I bought it. Look guys, I'm going to see you at the end of this fire and we'll catch you again in the morning. Cheers guys. What a morning, folks. Caught the end of the sunrise, cold, crisp, beautiful. Just packed everything away in the van. I'm ready to hit the road, so I'll catch you again soon, alright guys? Be good.